Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Okay, I can tell you that from all the videos I have done, this one is really out there. Okay, one of the nicest things that it has a mystery. Let's call it a mystery master bedroom. Okay, it's hidden, so. You wait until you see what I mean with hidden, okay? So let me tell you a little bit about this house. It's, as you can see, it has a metal roof. It has a triple-car garage. Has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,600 square feet, and a saltwater pool and a spa. But, like I'm saying, this home is very unusual, especially the master bedroom that is mysterious. And the entrance is like, wow, when you come in, okay? So let's not take too much of your time and let's start this tour. Okay, as you come in, you have a little porch out here. Let me show you around a little bit. Okay, it's located in a neighborhood that is actually has a lot of Gulf access homes around it, so that is nice. And you're walking with this humongous 8-foot door here. But wait until I open this door. It's gonna wow you. Check this out. Boom. Check out that huge slider, okay? It gets bigger as I get inside, but first I want to show you this chandelier here. Okay? So now let's take a look at this huge roof over here. Check this out. I've never seen anything like this, okay? So over here you got your living room area, and over here you got your kitchen. Okay, but first we'll get to that. Let me first go through the rooms, and then we'll end up, we'll do the kitchen, and then we'll do the master bedroom that I'm telling you is very, very mysterious and hidden, okay? And I can tell you there's a room on the back that's kind of like in-law quarters. We'll do that one too. And let's just start the tour here, and let me move around so you can visualize the size of this humongous room. Look at this. Please comment below, what do you think? Check out that slider. Don't you think that slider is huge? And the view from the pool is beautiful. Okay, so now let's start over here. Over here you got like a makeup bathroom here, so you can clean yourself up. And you got a toilet over here. Okay, this is the half a bath. Now let's go ahead and go to the bedrooms. Let's call this bedroom number 1. Okay, nice large window. Good size. You got your closet here with sliders. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's call this bedroom number 2. It's kind of rectangle shape, nice size. Okay, so I have a really fancy fan also, and you got your sliders for your closet over here. Okay, let's keep going. Well, let me show you now the guest bathroom. Okay. Look how beautiful that vanity there. Quartz top. And check out the shower. Look at that tile work all the way to the ceiling. And what I like is how they did the floor. See, the floor has the same tiles that the insert that they did over here for the shelf. Really nice. And forgot to show you. And here's the toilet. Okay, let me move around. Give you another angle. It's beautiful. Tell you it's true. And back here, you got a humongous towel closet. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now I'm going to show you room number 3. Okay. Number 3 has the same type of closet as the other rooms. So nice fancy fan also. Okay, so now let's continue and let's go to the in-law quarters that I was telling you. Kind of a room that if you have guests that would never want to leave. Let me give you one picture of the outside from here so you can see the size of that slider. I'm telling you, check out the space of this room. Look at this from this angle. Okay, we'll get closer to the kitchen later. And let's come over here. So this over here is your bedroom number 4. You use this as an in-law quarters because it has its own bathroom. Over here's the closet. Has a nice window there that brings a lot of light. And over here, this is the bathroom for this room. Okay. Check out the nice vanity. With the mirror, let me turn on the light. There you go. There's another light switch over here. No, that's not it, it's the other one. Then you got a door that leads out to the pool, so this can be used also as a pool bath. And there's the shower. Check out how nice. And behind over here, that's where your toilet is. So now, let's go over, let me move around here so you can see it from this other angle. Now let's go over and take a closer look at the kitchen. And we're getting to the master bedroom. Do you see any place that you could go into a master bedroom? We already went to this side of the house. Where is the master bedroom? Well, we'll soon find out. Okay, let's take a closer look here. Let's go first to the laundry room, then we'll do the kitchen, and then we'll look for the master bedroom. Okay, so this is your laundry room. Very nice laundry room. There's your washer and dryer there. You got a pole up here to hang your clothes, and you have a beautiful sink and cabinet here to do anything that you want to do out here. Okay, so it's very nice. So now let's take a quick look at the 3-car garage. Huge, a lot of space, and if you have a pickup, don't worry about it. You got extra space over here, so you could park pickup. You could park a real big pickup in here. And that's the door that leads to the outside. That's very good to have, so that way if you're taking out the trash, you don't have to go through the front of the house. A lot of builders forget to put that. Over here is your water heater, and check the height of the ceiling here. It's very nice and high. A lot of you guys like to hang shelves, so you can put those boxes up there from the ceiling, hanging from the ceiling. So you got a lot of height here. So. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. And then we'll try to look for that mysterious master bedroom. Okay. Let's take a closer look here at the kitchen. Check this kitchen out. Isn't this beautiful? Lots of cabinets. Here's your ovens. A lot of drawers. Let me check out the drawers. Nice wood drawers. Let me show you here. Check this out. Dovetail and everything. Beautiful. Let me check these out. Yes, for your nice pots. All wood. And on this side you have your dishwasher. And over here probably this one's for your trash. Yep. Nice. So I'll give you a look from the sink here. So when you're standing here watching your dishes, you're facing this humongous wall. You could put a huge TV on that wall over there. I mean, that wall will hold any TV you want to put. And check out this side. You can see the whole pool from here. So, oh, I forgot. Let me show you now the refrigerator. More cabinets on the top, and over here you can make this maybe into a coffee station. You can put all your coffee there. Okay, now let's show you the pantry. Check out this pantry. Big, lots of space. Okay, so we finished with the kitchen here. Now, where is the master bedroom? Okay, we already went through all the places over there. We didn't see no master bedroom. And unless we go outside, no, I don't think they're gonna put a door outside to go to the master bedroom. Well, believe it or not, the entrance to the master bedroom is through this door here. Your kitchen door. There it goes. It's not a cabinet. It's the entrance to the master bedroom. So let's come over here. Voila. Told you this was cool. Okay. So now let me show you the space over here. Very nice size. Okay. You also have a window there that brings a lot of light inside. Okay, let me move around. You have a really fancy fan too, right? And if you're standing here in your bed, you're taking a look at the beautiful pool there. And now let's continue. Here you got a pocket door in case you want some privacy from the closet to the bathroom. That's nice to have. And let's take it here. Closet number 1. Okay, now let's go ahead over here. Closet number 2. It's a little bigger than the other one. Okay, a lot of space if you want to put extra shelves. I'm going up and down because some of you guys always tell me that I don't show the whole closet, so I'm trying to do that. So that's the meaning. So maybe you're wondering why I'm doing that. Okay, over here, this is the closet, toilet, with a window. And now let's take a look at this beautiful master bathroom. Check this out. Isn't that beautiful? Wait, I forgot to turn on the other light. Got more lights here. Look at that. There we go. Check out the shower. Got 2 showers, one on each side. All the controls are on this side. Is this cool or what? And let's look at the tub. And you have lots of cabinets here. Look at this. And real good. You got your double sinks. Let's take another look from on this side. Check out the 2 showers there. A nice tub. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Please don't forget before you leave this video to comment. Tell me what you guys think about this home. Okay. And please give me a like if you like my videos. If you're watching my videos, always give me a like. That really helps me promote my videos in the algorithm. So now we're going out to the secret room. Here we go. We're out. So that was cool, huh? See, I'm telling you you had a secret room. Let me show you again. That's the door. Okay, now let's go ahead and step outside and take a look at the pool area. And also you have this this area here where you could actually put a dinette if you want to have breakfast there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go outside and take a look at this area out here. Like I was saying before, it's a beautiful day today, and we have had a lot of beautiful days lately. And I mean, it got cold. Actually, it was 37 this morning, but right now it's 72, 70. I mean, I think it was 70, 72. That's what I saw when I got off the car. But yesterday stayed like it went down to 60. But today we already went up to the 70s. And tomorrow's gonna be another nice day like today. And then Saturday, we're gonna get another cold front, so we'll go back into the 30s. But by Sunday, we'll be back probably down to the 70s again. So when the 30s, like I said, the 30s is only in the morning, okay? By 9 o'clock, it's already 45 or 44, and then by 10, 12 o'clock, it's already warming up. So check out this pool here. I love the spa. It's huge. Check how nice and big it is. And check how beautiful this pool is. And the space. That's the door that leads to that pool bath that I showed you inside. And check out the space. This is beautiful or what? Okay. And you also have space on the other side. You have a little beach area over here where you can put your chair and just relax there. And I forgot to show you the kitchen. The outdoor kitchen. You have a nice barbecue with a sink. And I think it's a granite countertop here. Okay. And let me go on the other side so I can show you the space. And really, really spacious area out here. Okay. Check this out. And that's the slider that leads to the mysterious master bedroom. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the sliders from here. Isn't that cool? I hope that you enjoyed this video, and feel free to comment below. Remember to give me a like, and if you're new to this channel and you would like to see more homes, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to see if I hit my 6,000 subscribers by the end of February, so I'm almost there. I need only 98. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos. I'm also going to be doing videos around areas, so you get to meet Cape Coral in the street wise. So I'm going to drive around and show you the neighborhood. So that's something that's coming up soon. So feel free to hit the subscribe button to stay in touch with Cape Coral, and I'm also be doing other areas outside Cape Coral. So feel free to do that. Remember that on Sundays is my premiere tour. That's when I get my really nice golf access homes. On Saturdays, it's a new construction with pool homes, with homes that are, you know, pool homes, not golf access, but really nice homes that are not pool, that are not golf access homes. And during the week, you might get a little bit of everything. So just remember at 9 o'clock on Saturdays and 8:30 in the morning on Sundays. Okay? Thank you for watching. And if you would like to see more videos, and if you're new to the channel, you would like to see my playlist of all my open houses that I do also, just click up here in this video right here, and you get to see all my 239openhouse.com. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.